All right. ALOFT. ALOFT? ALOFT. ALOFT a lot of money here. Not yet. No.
No. We're collecting.
Yeah, we are. Snaps. We gotta do something different. Here we go. ALOFT Hotels.
ALOFT Hotel.
Let's go find out where the hell we're going.
Parking lot.
Yeah, let's go to a parking lot. Where's the lot around here?
I don't know, but I can't see.
I think this is all valet.
This is valet.
Yeah, it could be.
We got everything here. Got to be paid.
I don't know.
All the parking stuff.
We'll find. No, probably not. It's
Can
pretty...
it just be a Merry Christmas? Thank you for donating.
So I'm trying to find parking here. There's no parking anywhere. Okay. No parking lot?
No parking.
It's only valet only?
Oh no. What? What? What?
I guess we're gonna valet it. There's no parking.
There's no stop to do a valet.
Bonvoy Marriott. Casino. Yeah, taking a walk through. So there is the bar right here. There's Hard Rock down there where we were just at. All right. Wow. Money party. Double money link. What is this? A lot of double money links. Ultra shot. Mad Max Fury Road. What? What is this? Big Foo Catchbacks. I've never seen Mad Max before.
Oh, me too.
Okay.
Or this one.
What is this? Oh my, luxury line huge screen. Holy cow. Wow. And there's your Dragon Links. Tomb Treasure. There are a lot of games I haven't seen. Oh, Quad Shot. Yeah. Let's take a walk over here. They like their dancing drums around here. Let me put this down further. Okay. All right.
Really cold.
It is cold.
The wind is blowing.
Dragon Links. Dun dun dun.
Dun, dun, dun. Ooh. Bomb collector. Cheshire.
Bomba Collector. Phoenix Link. Games.
Bingo.
Quad Shot. What is this? They're the old. Okay. Tiki Torch. Quad Shots. No, I don't see any older games. Gong Cash. Yeah, no table games. It's all bingo. These guys are winning over here. They're like Magic Treasures. I guess people are winning a lot on Magic Treasures. You might have to try playing it. You want to walk to the other side and see what game's over there first?
What other side?
There's other side. We didn't go in yeah, there's another side.
Huh?
I'll
I
have
didn't even see that there's that side.
Farmville. I'll have to turn the camera off when we go walk to the other side.
Do I just cut there here?
Okay, let's cut through here. I'm gonna turn the camera off and go to the other side. Luxury line. I'm gonna turn this off. All right, here we go. Other side of the casino. They got the Thunder Cash. They got all these. Oh, they got table games on this side. Oh, they have craps. They got craps. No craps table. They got the bonus $5 bets. Bonus. It is a tall. What else they have over here? Let's see. You got quick spin. Oh, they got Buffalo Gold over here. Pompeii. Old. Okay, so that means they're Buffalo games, but they're not like the older version. 60-cent win to win $38. 60-cent bet. Miss Kitty. Oh, I know you're gonna play Miss Kitty. You're gonna play Miss Kitty. You might have to come back. Yeah. Yeah. Miss Kitty. Buffalo Diamond. Let's see, there's Blazing Hot Lucky Stars. There's Z Zorro. Money Links. We haven't really played the Money Links, huh? And this is all Buffalo Diamond. Wow. All right, everybody. We're gonna play and invest $600 here.
Which one are you gonna play?
Let's-
Are we gonna do the 300 first?
Yes.
Or are we gonna do the $100
I think we should do the $100 first. So we're going over to Miss Kitty
Miss
first.
Kitty, of
Okay, let's go. Miss
go,
Kitty.
Miss
We're
Kitty.
doing the $300 last. We're playing. She's playing 3 100s on any games that she's gonna decide to play, and I'm going to play 300 on one machine. High bets. Let's see what happens. Here we go.